How come that thing is not turning?
Okay.
You know the barber shop, how the health thing turns?
Maybe it's broken. Does that seriously mean when they're open and when they're closed?
But they're supposed to be open till 9.
Yeah, so it should be open. Why don't you try calling them? I'll tell you the number. 321-9432. Wow, it's amazing I can see that.
I can't see that far. Wow.
Yeah.
What is it? 416?
416-321-9432.
Hi, till what time are you guys open? Oh, okay. Okay, but what time do you guys close? Okay, thank you. But they're closed.
They're closed?
They're closed.
Why?
You want to try the other barbecue?